Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to discuss another breakout stock. So this stock's name is ONGC. Look at this, it's the monthly time frame. So I've drawn the key levels. Major level is in purple and a minor level is in green. So this is a breakout from a big pattern, high level time frame, monthly level. So it's already too late to enter right now. The ideal entry should have been here. Okay, but what I wanted to share is a lower time frame entry. So on the daily time frame, it has formed kind of like a pattern. Earlier it did form a pattern similar, it is broken out. Similarly again it has formed a flag. Okay, it has formed a flag kind of pattern, a channel, a downward channel, and it has broken out right now. So go to 1 hour and 15 minutes. In 15 minutes it's showing a small kind of pattern as well. You can take entry on the breakout of this, or you can just take entry on the 1 hour time frame and keep it below the recent swing low. It is, you can enter right now and keep it below the swing low and trail a stop loss to the target, which would be this key level over here, 16%. So keep an eye on the stock, and please do your analysis before taking your entry. Do your own analysis before taking the entry. Right now the stock seems bullish, a bit bullish. It is currently broken out of this trend line. If you're not so sure, you can wait for another green candle and then enter, or you can look at this 5-minute time frame and enter once this gives this triangle breakout, this triangle pattern breakout. Or if you're not too comfortable with 5 minutes, take the 15-minute time frame, and once it closes above this area, you can take an entry. Okay guys, please do your analysis before taking this stock, before taking entry in this stock. I'm not recommending this stock, it's just a suggestion, a share. I'm sharing a suggestion, that's all. Thank you guys.